Okay, Karis, what are we doing?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat, huh?
A trick or treat.
And you're dressed as who? Let me see. Yeah, we're at Jordan Landing. Okay, go get some candy. Go get some candy.
Nemo!
I thought you were lost.
You found your way home?
Weren't you lost?
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's go. I found Nemo.
Bye,
Bye, Nemo. Go find Dory. Where's Dory?
I don't have a Dory.
Okay, Karis. What is this?
This is the best Halloween ever.
That's right. So we're at Jordan Landing and getting candy. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Trick or treat! Happy Halloween!
Okay, let's go.
Say bye-bye, Karis.
Oh, look, you're Minnie Mouse too.
Say bye-bye. Okay, Karis, you can close the door now. Yeah, they're coming.
You like answering the door. Who am I?
Minnie Mouse.
Yep.
I love to wait.
Okay, I'm leaving. You got it, Karis? I'll probably go help her.
Karis,
Give
get
her
one
candy.
each.
Give
Come
her
on.
candy. She's like, I'm not going to take. Thank you. Oh. Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Like the scary one. She's going to.
Yeah. Okay, let's see our little mooer.
Oh, this is our little moo cow. Say hi.
Hey, little moo.
Say I'm 3 weeks old and it's my first Halloween. They will, yeah. You can just shut the door. Don't
Okay.
you want to go trick or treating?
Come on, Nemo. You want to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.